All right. So this video is for anyone who has set up an account on Khan Academy, but who hasn't signed up for my classes yet. So you may be saying, "Oh, Miss Kelly, I already did it. I did it. I made an account, or I already had an account." But if I can't see you on my page, I can't assign you anything, and I can't see what you're doing. So that being said, I'm going to just show you how you can still make sure you get to the place where you can sign up for my class so I can actually see you and keep track of what's going on. So, you're on the Khan Academy website, khanacademy.org, right here where you see my arrow circling around. So, if you've already created an account, you go to log in, do your email or username. So, I do have a student account that I created to kind of show you this stuff. Log in, put in your password, and click login. So you will either come to a page that says my assignment. So this is a student that is showing up, or you will most likely see your courses or my stuff, or may ask you to sign up for a course. Where you need to go is down. So this is your main page. You need to go to teachers down here. So you're going to click teachers, and then where it says join a class, you're going to enter the code that I sent you. So all you have to do is put the code in. So if you're in my math apps class and you have the code here that I'm just copying and pasting, I would paste that in, and then I could join the class and it will tell me I've successfully joined the class. And then I'll be able to see you and have you up there and give you your assignments.